In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change owner ClickUp. If you're handing off a space to a new lead, reorganizing your team, or simply updating accountability, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so the right person becomes the owner. Start in ClickUp by opening the team space you want to update. From your workspace, head to its overview page. The overview is the home base for a space and gives you access to the controls you'll need. Make sure you're working in the correct space, especially if your workspace has multiple spaces with similar names. Also, keep in mind that you'll need the right permissions to change ownership. If you don't see the options in this video, check with your admin. On the overview page, look for the three-dot menu associated with that space. This is the context menu that houses additional options. Click the three dots to open the menu. If you're on a smaller screen or if your space has a lot of options, some items may be tucked away, so we'll expand them next. Inside that menu, click More. This reveals additional controls that aren't shown by default. From there, choose All Space Settings. This takes you into the space-specific settings panel where you manage roles, permissions, and other space configurations. In the space settings, locate the owner field. This is where you can see the current space owner and select a different person. Click Owner to open the selector. You'll see a list of eligible members from your workspace. Choose the person you want to become the new owner. If you don't see their name, they may not be part of the space or your workspace yet, and you'll need to ensure they're added and have the appropriate access before they can be selected. Once you've selected the correct person, confirm your choice by clicking Save Changes. That's the key step that applies the update. After saving, the ownership transfer takes effect immediately. The new owner will have full control over space level settings, including permissions, views, and other administrative options within that space. The previous owner's access will continue based on their remaining role and permissions. Before you wrap up, it's a good idea to communicate the change to your team so everyone knows who now manages the space. You can also quickly revisit the space settings to verify the owner field reflects the new person, ensuring the change has been applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the space owner in ClickUp quickly and cleanly, right from the overview to space settings, selecting the new owner and saving your changes.